Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix sign out is not available due to restrictions. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to open settings, and then you have to make sure that you have an active internet connection, and then go back, scroll down and tap on VPN and make sure that there is not connected any of the VPN. If there is unconnected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect your VPN, and after that just simply go back and here tap on general, tap on software update and update your device to the latest version of iOS. If you don't have updated version, then update it first and then scroll it below, and here tap on return time and make sure that your return time is correct and set automatically is turned on. Now after that tap on language or region and select your region correctly and then go back, and then you have to just simply again go back, scroll down, tap on here screen time, scroll down, tap on content and privacy restriction and turn this toggle off. After turning it off, then simply tap on change screen time passcode and turn off your screen time passcode. After turning it off guys, your problem will be fixed. So guys, do this, and after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, let me check it. I turn it off and here I enter my screen time passcode and then go back and here tap on change screen time passcode and turn off screen time, enter screen time passcode. After that go back and open up the Apple ID, and here you can see this, the sign out is available. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.